Hello and welcome to Davidson's. Here we have a 2013 Toyota Auris. This is the XL model, so it's front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera, 17-inch alloy wheels, metallic paint, keyless entry and keyless start, a partial leather interior, 6-speed gearbox, heated front seats, climate control, touchscreen media system, or auto lights and wipers, and cruise control. We have privacy glass on the back. Decent sized boot. The rear seats have a 60-40 split. In the back of the car we have a further 3 seats. Both the outside rear seats have Isofix, and we have an integrated armrest in the middle seat. So that concludes our walk around the Auris. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle, you can contact myself. My name's Stuart at Davidson's of Newcastle. Thanks for watching the video.